Hello and welcome to Hot Topics in Psychology. I'm Janice McLean, a retired psychologist and instructor from The Ohio State University, and I'm very excited for this new course designed with the help of my previous students at Encore. Here are the basics. Again, this is a new course with a new format more reminiscent of the old Phil Donahue show than a typical lecture format with just limited class interaction time. So if you're more of a listener observer, there's not a problem with that. We need listeners and observers. It will be a 2-hour class that enables the presentation of a hot and relevant topic, enabling questions, discussion. What will we learn and discuss? Everything from the age-old question, are men and women fundamentally different, or are we sexist for even asking that? Spoiler, yes, they're fundamentally different. No, we are not sexist for asking that. We'll explore that. That spills into the transgender athlete uproar, which we will discuss, but from a critical thinking exploration point of view. What makes a sociopath? Think Menendez brothers, Epstein, Bernie Madoff, nature or nurture or both. On the other end of the spectrum, what makes what we call a super altruist? The kind of person who runs into traffic to save someone else, a stranger. We'll talk to a researcher who had that very experience. What is the manosphere? And how is it going to have an incredible impact on your life in the next 2 years and beyond? We can talk about politically charged terms and issues, trad wife, woke, the gender, sexual, and identity spectrum, and how research, which is growing, is leaning very strongly toward a nature foundation in this area of study. We'll talk discrimination, stereotypes, persuasion, cult behavior, and dynamics. Is there a way to teach kindness, or are we aggressive by nature? And the speaker I mentioned, Robert Goldman, is fascinating. He is an attorney, a psychologist, an author, and a regular contributor to Psychology Today magazine. His research that he'll discuss is his time in the prison system, exploring the difference between basic criminality and mental health issues in the incarcerated. Finally, we'll do a multimedia class on how to put one foot in front of the other in very challenging times for coping. I will guarantee that you will leave feeling better from that class than when you entered. Come aboard, be intellectually stimulated, meet new friends, sign up, fasten your seatbelt for what I predict will be a terrific time together. And I hope to see you in the fall.